anything, then the questions will keep on coming. Please, you don't have time for you to read. I just wanted to show you. Okay, so when you do the writing, there are 5 questions. When you finish, then everything will go. Now we are going on to the last part, text. The quizzes. So look at the right side and click on quizzes. Everybody should click on quizzes. Quiz. Are you there? Yes. Quiz at the right side. Quiz.
Yes.
Quiz at the right side. Are you there?
Yes.
This quiz, have you seen it?
Yes.
Look at the box. Quiz. Here, quiz. Click on it. So a test will come. Proceed to text. Click on proceed to text. Are you there?
Yes.
So they'll give you some 10 questions there. So you read and click the right answer. One participant of children
now go to quiz.
So do the right one.
Quiz.
And this is the second option.
Quiz.
Have you seen it? Click on that box. And you
Call
mark
quiz,
it.
that's your sister.
Then you want the question.
Then proceed to quiz.
Click on the right one. Then scroll down. Click on it and
If I didn't want to take us, click on quizzes. Proceed to quiz. Can you choose to answer?
Then I'll click on submit. Okay? So they said I didn't answer these questions. Oh, is that wrong? Wait, I was in my office long time. You didn't do this question.
Are you done?
So mark all the questions. You have got it. Please, when you finish, click on submit. Okay. So we are through with that one. So that is for quizzes. Now,
Go to quizzes now.
after this, you are finished for one. Your devices to the iBox. That is if you are on this campus. Then the next thing is you launch your browser. Any browser or any internet browser. Please listen. If you want to connect with your iBox, what do you do? First of all, you connect with the iBox. Then the second thing is you go to your device, click on your browser, any of the browsers. It can be Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, any, like the one that you did, the E, that is Internet Explorer. Click on it. It will open it to you. Then you type the URL address on it, 192. Once you do it once, the next time when you go there, when you type 1, you see that all the address will come. So just press enter, then it will come. Then the next thing is what? Your login will come. Click on login, enter your username, enter your password, okay? Then click on login. Then all the courses that you registered will come. Then you start enjoying your courses. Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright, so we are ending here. The rest of the courses, we'll give the keys to the masters. Like I told you, for now we have only the core, Maths, English, Science, and Social. These are the only courses on it, okay? So Maths, English, Science, Masters, they'll give you the keys. So next time when you come, if you want to register with the keys, what do you do? When you log in, you go to where? Group keys. You click on it, and the dialog box will open for you. Then you enter the code that the masters will give to you. Is that clear?
Yes.
But if you have any challenge, you can bring it, then we address it. So the dear students, so from today onward, you can start using it by using your mobile phone. Like I said earlier on, after school, you can come to use your mobile phone. But the borders, for now, you don't have any option until they lift the ban. So for now, you don't have any option. But the masters will bring you here as